Highly blessed everyone. So today's video is all about oranges. What I am doing with oranges today, I'm going to infuse oranges into my base oils to make my own essential blends. Stay tuned, you don't want to miss this video.
Chasing highs. What is love? Lately I've been wondering just what is love? What is love? I don't know. No one ever showed me. I've been on my own.
See all of the oil compounds? Very strong in it. So that's gonna be nice for the oils. And then this, you probably can have like vitamin drops as well, you never can tell. I gotta address everybody. Let me show you what the dress looks like. It says if you peel an orange and the skin is all intact, you get a new dress. That's what they say. So we're gonna see who gonna get new dress, alright? So with these now we get rid of the pulp and everything, and then we just cut these up. So we're gonna blend them up. So might as well we just cut them up. I just want to show you the dress. So I've peeled my orange skins off and I've cut them a little bit. You can cut them more, but if you're gonna put them in the blender or the food processor, whatever you're gonna put it in, it don't make no much difference in it. You can cut it down if you want, but I'm being lazy today, so I really want to try this. So we've achieved the desired size that I'd like to have the orange peels, and I'm gonna transfer them over into my crock pot with the oils. But I'm making these oils melt first, and then I can just add my orange peels to it, and then I'll let it stay for around 3 to 4 hours, and I'll come back and show you the stages. Okay, all melted. So I'm just gonna add the oranges now. Wow, the smell on that already. Let's run through some of the great benefits of vitamin C. Did you know that vitamin C have collagen and elastin in it? Oh lordy, 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 lordy. Yes, it plumps the skin and make the skin look younger, brighter, clear, flawless skin. It also helps with oily skin, softens the skin, it smooths any impurities out, and it stops the pimples from blossoming and leave your skin looking firm and soft. It also helps to unblock your pores and get rid of and reduce blackheads. Let me tell you something, pretty for failure scars, yeah? And it's great to even have it in body wash, shampoos, oils for your hair, formulated butters for your skin, formulated cream for your hair, anything you want to have it in. It's great to use, and it's, you know, one other thing, it's easy to make and it's very affordable. And the antioxidants in oranges will slow down any signs of aging, reduce fine lines and wrinkles, and get rid of your dark circles around your eyes. So this is a great way to do it at home. So come follow me, let me show you the rest. All right, so now we finish. So let me just show you a few little images of a client of mine that needed my help. So I formulated a cream and a soap for her skin, and I also gave her the oil, and I did add in my formulation a bit of turmeric and a bit of lemon oil as well, and papaya oil. And this helped my client's skin so much that I started to make the soaps, and it's an exfoliating soap. So I wanted to just show you the image of before and after using this orange oil, and you can try it and let me know in the box below how you get on. Come back when I'm bottling up and I've strained, just about to strain, and I've got a cheesecloth and a muslin cloth into each other, and I'm gonna pour the oil from here. So you hear me mention that vitamin C is great for collagen and elastin. And let me tell you the secret to our Caribbean glow, our Jamaican island girl glow, is because of the orange peels. We used to have it for tea. Every morning, mommy used to make sure we have orange peel or lemon peels or orange leaf or lemon leaves. And I think the antioxidants in the oranges, it make we so young and firm and glowing. And also the collagen plumps our beautiful skin. So give you the island glow. Lottie, lottie, lottie. And me telling you so. So here you have it. I have completed my orange oil infusion, and as I stated, this is the hot way of doing it, and I got 350 grams from this beautiful infusion. And I have another clip to show you, so don't you go anywhere. Please keep on watching, as I've got another way you can make your orange oil if you don't want to use the hot method. And if this oil is too strong for you, please dilute it. So first thing you do, grab your oranges, wash them, then you peel your oranges. We're trying to get the skin. We're using the skin of the orange because that has lots of oil in the skin. So after you've done that, then we move on. So after I've peeled the oranges, I let them dry. You can let this dry for a few weeks, months, how long you want it. I let them dry on my window with a little string. That's where I put my herbs. So I just let them hang there and they'll just naturally dry. So after you've done that, then we're ready to start our oil infusion. Right, so I've got a mason jar with a lid that you're going to need for your orange peels. All right, so make sure you have your mason jar ready, the size you want. And then we're going to start the process of breaking up these orange peels. All right, I'm going to be using some, let me just back up, grapeseed oil and jojoba oil. All right, so that's that. Right, so here we go now. So we're just going to break up, put this there. So we're just going to break pieces in. It doesn't matter anyways, but I like to add more jojoba oil instead of grapeseed. because you know the properties that jojoba oil has. All right, so this is what we've got, and we're just gonna cover the lid, give it a little shake. Sorry for the dog barking, the cat just went out and they're not besties. Right, so yeah, so I'm gonna let this stay for 8 weeks to cure, if not longer, and then you'll have your vitamin C orange peel oil or serum or whatever you want to call it, and you can use it in any of your formulations. All right, here's one that I did a couple months back. I did it from the 22nd of October 2020, and as you can see, grapeseed, jojoba oil, and vitamin E. And I use this for my facial serum. I layer it between my facial routines, and I use it as a vitamin C serum as well. But you have to remember to wear your sunblock because this is really, really strong. You can also dilute it if you don't want to use it so strong. So you can add it to your creams and your butters, all right? This is what I wanted to show you. You can also add it to your oils, like your body oils. Okay, so that's it. Just wanted to show you how to make 2 different types of orange serum. You can either do the hot one or the cold one. All right, so this is it. This is it, guys. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you very soon. And I hope this has been beneficial to somebody today. I'll see you soon. Thank you.